This is brutal power wrapped in an elegant machine.
In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the layout of the Prism platform from a trainer's perspective. For staff and owners, you'll get a smaller version of this depending on what permissions you've been given. But essentially when you first log in, you'll have this dashboard here which shows you everything that's happened over the period of time that you select. It'll have procedures, transport and general tasks. You can change your time frame in here. That appears every time you open up the system. To get out of it, you simply click any of these other menu items. The system's structured into the main menu items up the top here, as well as a search bar and your profile section here. The other one that you'll see that goes follows you around is this green plus button here, which is what we call Add Anywhere. And that basically gives you all the functionality within the system to be able to add new items from anywhere. It doesn't matter where you are in the system, that'll always stay. So that's often the easiest way in which to add new items. But just quickly across the top here, we've got notifications, which is where you get told about anything new that's happening in the system. So in this case it's a new horse that's been added. The racing section is all of your racing data, so there'll be nominations in here, which are these ones, blue. There'll be acceptances, which are in green. There'll also be trials. You can also see previous 2 weeks results in here. Scheduling is where you manage all your daily operations, track work and procedures, transport and general, such as farrier and dentist. The horse profile is basically the list of all of your horses. Again, taken from Racing Australia's database, as well as whatever other horses you add to that. Owners is where you store all of your owner details. Staff is where you manage your staff. Suppliers is suppliers. Comms is where you're doing broadcast updates, as in sending to all of your owners or sending to a portion of your owners. Reporting is where you can pull specific reports out based on all the data that's in your system. The CMS is where you can manage your website in terms of all the content from your front end website. And finance is where you obviously manage all of the financial elements of your business. That's it in a nutshell. There's a heap of other videos that will talk about each of those specifically, but this is just a quick introduction to the layout. Again, you know, this Add Anywhere button is probably your best friend in terms of being able to add things quickly and easily wherever you are in the platform.